That's the box right there, bro.
Oh.
See the box there? Yeah, man. Apparently there's 3 outfits in there. I haven't got a clue what's in there, bro. Is it heavy? You've been working out anyway, so that's good. Yeah, man. So what's been good though? You've been good? People have been asking for you, man. They've been saying, when's Kick doing the videos, man? You know what I mean? So we said, yeah, I have to get kicks in. Oh, you know what else people are asking for?
Go on.
That Nike trainer challenge.
Which one?
In the outlet.
The Nike one?
Yeah.
I don't know if I want it because you're gonna cheat again.
Nah. That time I paid a couple peeps, innit? But this time I'll be fair. Nah, this time I'll be fair still.
Dissing up sliders and that.
Alright, bro. So we got sent this box. So from Equips, it's a mystery box. I don't know what's in there, but what I do know is it's going to be like more lower price items because lots of people have been like, can you do more lower price items? And the last couple of videos I've done is some expensive jackets, man. So, alright, should we see what we got in?
Go.
Alright. Right. Uh-oh. Jeez. See how Equis are going.
What is it called? Equis.
Equis.
Why is it called Equis?
Why? What should it be called?
I don't know, it says
Nah, mate, it's Equis.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you have to get that thing right, yeah? When you purchase from these guys, this is how the box is coming. Slick. See it there? Yeah, man.
Like that.
That's it, bro. See that?
Okay.
Alright, cool, you hold on to that. They said 2 boxes.
It's heavy, man.
It's heavy. So what are you getting gym for, man? You can handle it.
One outfit and another outfit.
It's meant to be 2, I think 3 outfits, they said. Oh, do you know what I have to say? There's a 15% off discount code. That's going to be on the description box below, guys. So if you want to get a discount, 50% off of all full price stuff, check out the description box below and the code will be on there. Alright, let's see what we got. So let's bust that.
Yeah.
Oh, snap. Oh, mallets. You love mallets. Is it you that loves mallets?
I don't love them, but they're alright.
Yeah? Mallet. Okay. Got some mallets. You can try those on. See what they're saying. A little nice dust bag there as well. They've got the trainer bag with the logo. Alright, that's cool. What's this?
No, it looks alright though.
Oh,
Is it cool?
Axel Arigato, you know about them?
Yeah, but only recently I'm hearing about it.
No, they're big, you know. They're more well known for their trainers, but
Yeah,
I've noticed now they've been doing like more men's clothing. They've been doing some like down puffer jackets as well. Alright, cool. What else we got? Some Marstrum. We done some. I swear I done something on Marstrum recently, but yeah, I like Marstrum. Do you know about them?
Yeah, I do. I like the material on these as well. They're not like a fleece. It's different. Yeah.
Versace, like that.
Yeah. What do you think about Versace?
I'm not a huge fan of the Versace, to be honest with you. But what I do know is a lot of people are fans of the brand, though.
Yeah.
Because like on our Facebook, I know a lot of people they go on about it.
I think they've introduced quite a few more lines to it now, isn't it?
There's quite a few lines of the Versace for real. They're good, you know. Martial artists, bro. You know what? These guys. I met the owner, you know.
Yeah.
I met the owner. Yeah, he was a proper cool guy, man. He sent me over some bits to try. But yeah, that's quite nice.
I do like it. It reminds me of a bit like Stone Island or like CP.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's nice. And their price points are, you like their price point, way more reasonable.
Yeah.
What we got? Talk to me, bro.
Oh,
more Axel, yeah?
Arigato.
Jeez. Easy now.
Let's have a look.
Nice.
Decent material as well, actually.
I thought they were Japanese, you know.
Oh yeah?
I think they're from Sweden or Denmark. Nah, I like them. Do you like them?
Yeah, they look like everyday kind of just smart casual, innit?
Yeah, but look, feel the quality of them there, man.
It's
The quality's nice. They remind me, is it
I love that little suede at the front there.
Is that a hat? Is that an actual hat?
Hat, yeah.
Nice.
Axel Arigato.
Yep.
Got the hat.
Alright. Is that Neil Barrett?
I think so.
Oh my days.
Yeah, it is. This is your brand, isn't it?
My brand. Okay, so we got some Neil Barrett there as well. Nice to see. Yeah. That's my time right there. That's not your time, is it?
Nah, I feel like I'm like Black Thunder or something.
Alright, cool. What else we got? Oh, this is so your time, bro. This is so
Is it?
I see you in this.
Nah, do you know what?
Yeah, that's
I'm
me,
not
man.
really, I'm a jeans guy, but I'm not a gold jeans guy, nah.
I swear you like gold.
I don't really like gold, man.
I thought that would be right. The fit looks nice though. It looks like a slim fit.
Yeah, it looks like it fit good still.
Another Marstrum. Wicked. That's nice.
I rather the colour on this.
Yeah, colour's nice, like a burgundy.
Plum. Right.
All from Icarus, guys, 15% off. If you check out the description box below, you will see there's a code on there and you can grab yourself 15% off. What ones you gonna try on, bro? You gonna try outfit on? You might as well try the Mars Strong one. So basically what we've got 3 outfits here, yeah? We've got 3 outfits. So we can maybe mess around with some fits and see what we can pull off, see what we can work with what we got. You think we can do it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna rock that?
Yeah.
Rock that.
I think I should have got the medium though.
Yeah, medium.
Let's try it. I don't know which one's gonna fit better.
Do you know what? This feels really nice, you know. I like
does,
this.
yeah, it's like kind of padded as well.
Yeah, the Mars Strong. Do you know what? Mars Strong. I like it, man. I'm a fan. I like this.
Yeah, it's nice. When I held it, the material's
nice, isn't it? And I like that on you, that overshirt jacket.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you like it?
I like it.
You're sure the colour?
Like it. You know what? I'm not sure the colour, but I think that with the right outfit, it could match.
I like it with the full outfit.
Yeah?
Yeah. What do you mean? You think it's too small?
It feels a bit tight.
It doesn't look it though.
Don't it?
Not to me.
Maybe it's because this top is just mad long. It's mad long, it's like that.
Let me try that again. Try that one. Yeah, I can see it is short on the arms actually.
It's tight.
What size is that?
Large.
Gee, every time you come down to a video, you started off as a small, innit? When you first started the video. Then you went to a medium, then you went into a large, now you're extra large, bro.
Yeah, this is nice.
That's nice, isn't it? That's a large.
That fits in it.
So how come that one's fitting you? This one's
random, isn't it?
Oh yeah, this is the martial artist. Of course.
I think I'd rather that colour than this.
I'm surprised because you don't usually like. Right,
no, but that could run.
That's mad because that looks big on you. And that's a large. And this is a large. Right, so sizing on the Mars Strong and stuff like this, you need to go, this almost feels like a medium. But the thing is, I like it because it's fitted. Were you saying the actual Elgato hat?
What is it, Velcro?
Yeah.
I don't know, I've kind of got a big head. It feels like it's a bit too small.
No, it's alright still.
Is it alright?
Yeah. I like it. Do you know what? I quite like your outfit, you know, for that colour. Maybe if that was a medium, just size it down just a touch. But with the pants, even though with the pants you need to
I need to size up. Looking at leggings, man.
When I first saw them, I thought they were like Japanese or something.
Innit? Super dry.
Yeah, but I think they're Swedish. Yeah, Super Dry British. I think they're Swedish, but it's made in Portugal. Okay. Yeah, the shoes are made in Portugal. Do you notice most high-end shoes are made in Portugal?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, a lot of them are. I feel like, for me, this one is just a bit too...
I think it suits you.
You think so?
Yeah.
I feel like it's a bit too loud.
Too loud for me though.
I feel like it's a bit too loud for me, but I do like it though. But when I tend to get the Neil Barrett hoodie, like I got the Neil Barrett hoodie black, but this bit is black as well.
Oh, so it's loud but it's subtle.
Exactly. So I haven't got the black with the white one because I find it a bit too much. So what have you got? The Versace one, yeah? You're not a fan?
I don't know how it looks on me, but
do you know what I actually like?
I don't like how long
the cuffs.
No.
I like the back. It's got some like logo. It says Versace Jeans Couture on it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I
would get it, but I don't know if I'll wear it out. Probably just like.
Well, wear it indoors.
Yeah, like just a quick thing. Like pop into the shop or something.
You got money, man. I really like the fit of the jeans, you know.
The fit of the jeans looked alright though. I just don't like that gold pocket.
The gold bit. I swear you was a gold type of guy.
Nah, man.
I must have got that wrong then. What was your favourite piece out of all of them? You said this hoodie grew on you.
Yeah, I kind of like it.
I really like it.
I'm not 100% sure on the fit, but I like
the fit. Do you know what? I really like this one. I really like the Mars Strong pieces. Yeah. What about the trainers? Did you like the mallets?
Yeah, I do like them.
They're nice and plain. But
I would go for these if they were in a different colour maybe. Yeah, no, I would go for these. But I think they would be a little bit better in black. Maybe like the upper black and then the base white with that silver.
What was the outfit that you're wearing?
I think it goes. I think it does go.
Okay.
But I think I would just rather a little bit more going on. Maybe the colour.
But you got the silver bit on the back.
If it was gold, it would be a no for me.
Yeah.
But I do like it, and then it's got the little mallet. It's nice. It's nice. I like the quality. It seems quite nice.
Yeah. So you didn't feel like the actual?
I like them, but I don't think I'm there yet.
Huh?
I just don't think I'm there yet.
Where?
Like,
We don't ask you
that
to
kind of,
go there,
like that kind of style. I'm not
Hold
like.
on a minute, was it not you that got the off-white?
Yeah, but
that was
different.
way
Nah,
that was
they're
way
different.
more than
Nah,
this.
they're different. Look a little bit more mature. They do though. Like, I think I would go for them maybe if I was
55.
No, like if I was maybe trying to go for a really smarter, casually.
Okay.
But I don't think I would go for something more like this. More of a trainer looking.
Right. Okay.
I don't know.
So you feel like these look a bit too more like.
I think if they were all black,
smart,
I would wear
casual.
them. Yeah, like if they were all black, I would wear them.
What about the top? What do you think of the top?
I like the top, and it
I
does
really
go
like
with the orange at the back on the
Yeah,
tree.
no, I'm really feeling this.
Yeah.
I like that. Did you know about
Martial artist?
Sorry, martial artist. That wasn't too bad, man. We got some unexpected bits. Guys, I will put all the prices on the description box below, but I will put all the prices in the video as well. So if you want any of these pieces, remember it's 15% off. There's a discount code below in the description box, so make sure you check that out as well, okay? But what if people want to get in touch with you for like trainers and stuff, what do they need to do?
Well, I've just made a Twitter, so you can shout me on Twitter, so you can shout me on Snap. And then I've also got Instagram.
Make sure you follow us on our socials, The Hoxton Trend, my personal Instagram, The Hoxton Travels, Facebook. Don't forget to follow the Facebook, check out the website, all the good stuff, you know it makes sense. Guys, listen, maybe get this video to what? 300 likes? 350 likes. Get this video to 350 likes. And if we get 350, we'll be doing more videos like this, okay? Guys, listen, we're out there, Kicks is out there, catch you lot soon. You're gonna do my little thing. Peace out.
I should feel the pain.